What's going on, guys? It's Decelation. Got Brian.
What's up, peeps?
And today we're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck, and it's fuel line running today. Yeah, we're gonna run some fuel line. And I finally got new fuel line, and we're not gonna make the mistake of making it too tight, are we? We're gonna leave some slack. Yeah, good, Brian. But before we actually get into the content, you want to hold the camera for me, Brian?
Sure.
Because I want to say special thanks. Am I visible? Okay.
Yep, you're visible.
All right. I want to say special thanks to Bob. I'm not gonna say your last name for security purposes, but Bob, thank you so much. Like, I'm gonna read the letter that he sent because this is amazing. Gary and Brian, always look forward to your posts. Hope you enjoy the enclosed loaded center punches. These work good on heavier materials, but I found the spring pressure on these a bit much, even when it's been turned down. These are there are others on the market with less pressure. I have no affiliation with this product, but thank you, man. Like, these are amazing, by the way. Like, these are get them out. Like, nice weight. Like, oh, these are nice. Bob, thank you so much. We really do appreciate this, and we will put these to use. But now. Oh, and before I get, apparently this helps. If you like this type of content, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, because 73% of you not subscribed. The numbers are going up, so it's kind of working. Keep subscribing, because a lot of you guys have been watching these videos and haven't subscribed. So, and hit that notification bell. And stay tuned, because we're going to get to work. Alright, welcome back, people. You saw us pull out the fuel line. Got my heat sleeving off. Put the fuel hose over there. You looking forward to this part, Brian? Nah, so we got the old fittings off, so I don't know which line we're gonna start with, but we're gonna start with one and get this connected. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. So, as you can see, get yourself a Brian, because we make beautiful things like this happen. And so, we got the fuel line routed back behind the trans dipstick and behind all of this. So, the fuel line comes on the outside right here and far away from the exhaust, which there's some other stuff on. Oh, that's the, yeah, we need to reroute that later. Yeah, we pulled that. That's my coolant overflow line. That's right there next to the exhaust, but we're gonna reroute that, and that's gonna be fine.
I just need to get it just needs to get reconnected to the tank. The tank's still blanked off.
Ah, gotcha. Sweet. Yep. And then I'll show you guys under the car. So we came in through this body hole right here. I'm not sure how close. So there's this gusseting. Came in on the outside of that. Then follows under through the whole car, clamped to the body. And at no point does it get close to the exhaust, instead of right here where it was touching. So much happier. You want to kick it on so we can show we have no leaks, and going back the same way. So we replaced this fitting all the way up to here, and then we stop this line over here, and no fuel spraying over here, and no fuel spraying out of here. We are good. Go ahead, kill it. Oh, you're not gonna see fuel pressure out of that.
Oh, yeah, it's in there.
No, that's the aftermarket gauge I added. But yeah, fuel pressure, I think we have it set to 58 psi. So if we had a leak, we would have seen it. So I'm pretty stoked. Got the fuel line rerouted, nice and safe. Got the exhaust pretty much done. Probably next video we think we work on the exhaust.
Yeah, we can do that tomorrow.
Sweet.
Unless you're going to Maryland tomorrow.
Possibly. Have to talk to Masha. Well, yeah. Anything for the people, Brian?
Not today.
Not today?
I'm a little worn out.
Yeah, me too. Pretty tired.
It's working out in your 40s, things gotta go.
Yeah, I need to actually start working out in my 30s. But, alright guys. Also, no one has to give us a single topic. We're going to just have to create a topic that we're going to talk about for our new segment. Ain't that right, Brian?
We'll do something. We'll figure out something.
But yes, I really want to do this. Give us a topic. Just have a beer with us. Maybe we'll do it live. I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll find out. I've never done a live stream before, so it'll be fun. Alright. If you like this type of content, comment down below, let us know. Hit that subscribe button, because we're going to keep making these videos. And hit the like button. It pushes us out to more people. And share it to your friends if you like this stuff. Have a good one. Peace.